Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, news, shocking statistics in fact, that up to 60% of children in St. Catherine have been affected by the dengue outbreak.
The statistics were presented by the medical officer for St. Catherine, Dr. Francia Prosper Chen, while she updated a recent stakeholders meeting of the Portmore Municipal Corporation.
TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
A computer-generated sign depicting the plight of residents in Portmore, St. Catherine, dubbed by some as the mosquito capital of Jamaica. It's no wonder Portmore has the highest number of dengue-related cases for the parish.
Although the incidence is falling, it is still high. And in Portmore too, the percentage of children affected are even higher, and averages around maybe 60 to 70%.
Areas mainly affected: Waterford, Brayton Phase 7, Portsmouth, Greater Portmore, Gregory Park and Christian Penn. Dr. Francia Prosper Chen, the medical officer for health for St. Catherine, says the parish recorded more than 520 notifications of dengue in January.
This outbreak has disproportionately affected children. And if we look at the percentage affected, it is above 60%.
And so the health ministry is again urging residents to do everything possible to eliminate mosquito breeding sites.
The breeding sites are in our yards. I've been to places and I see the little paint tray breeding. I've seen people with tarpaulin on the ground with mosquito breeding. I have seen breeding with, sometimes we break the glass, the bottles for security. Aedes aegypti will breeding there. And so the take-home message I hope from this meeting is that it is an individual responsibility.
The mayor mentioned chickpea and Zika. The second round coming up,
Medical entomologist in the health ministry, Shireen Huntley-Jones, says $800,000 has been allocated to each member of parliament to eradicate mosquito breeding sites.
I'm happy to announce that I was told by Minister today that all MPs have gotten close to $1 million to implement some control in their constituency, and all councillors will be getting $300,000 to $400,000 to also implement control measures in their different divisions and constituency.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.